You're coming through very faint. Could you speak up or move closer to the mic?
Yes. How is it now? When I speak now, can you hear me better?
I can hear you a bit better now, but the audio is still a little degraded. There's some reverb and a slight drop in clarity. You might want to be closer to the microphone or adjust your environment a bit.
Yes. So exactly, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm closer.
Your internet seems unstable, and I think I lost some of what you said. Could you check your connection and try again?
Yes. Wait. I checked. I think now it should be stable. Now it should be okay.
Great. It does sound more stable now, and your voice is clearer. We can go ahead and talk more about those robot investment ideas. What kind of details or costs are you looking for exactly?
Perfect. So, could you speak something? Just
Yeah, I can
so,
speak just in the background.
yeah. So, going back to the robots, I think like what would be the cost of
speaking
You may
over
be
each
picking up
other,
other
right?
voice. It sounds like there might be a bit of overlap with another voice in the background. Could you confirm if it's just you speaking to me right now?
Yes. Sorry, I just moved on to the other.